Here is the Mandarin Chinese Picture Dictionary from Tuttle. Tuttle, if you don't know, is like the premier publisher of Chinese language learning books. They got like over 15. I'll link up some of them in the descriptions below, but I'm gonna show you who this book is for, who it's not for. We'll take a look at the pretty pictures. My name's Kwadwo. I'm the creator of Elementary Chinese, where I teach you and expats living here in China the everyday Chinese you need to communicate what you want and connect with Chinese people, because everybody else is sitting in front of a black wall or a whiteboard, but I'm outside every day showing you real Chinese like Chinese folks actually use it. So if you want more content like that from me, consider subscribing. All the links to any book I reference are down below in the descriptions for Amazon.com. So who's this book for? If you live here in China and you need real words that you can go out and ask native speakers about and see what they mean, then this book is for you. Or if that sounds good to you, but you're not quite in China yet, this book could also be for you. Definitely cool for you if you need a nice, pretty book for your coffee table that you want to casually peruse through to get some Chinese vocabulary. This book gives you 1,500 key words for the HSK levels 1 through 3. So this could be a good, interesting way to supplement your boring HSK 3 vocabulary lists or books, because that test ain't too interesting to study for. If you are studying grammar, this book is not for you, but tap that link right up there because that book is for you. Another thing I like about this book is that the pictures, they're pretty and they're bright and they're acceptably modern. Except for, when's the last time you saw a calculator like that? If you're a visual learner and you struggle with motivation to get started, then picking up a book like this should be easier for you. Bad part is this book is just words. And they know that too, which is why they tried to include phrases. But you're still gonna need a second textbook or phrase book to really complete this offering. And that goes back to what I said in the beginning. This is a great book to complement your textbook or your HSK book. Yeah, you should buy it. Links in the description below. So if you want to see my absolute favorite Chinese compact book packed with phrases useful for day-to-day life, it's this one. Tap or click the screen right there. And if you want another video from me here at Elementary Chinese, tap or click the screen right down there. I'm Kwadwo, teaching you the everyday Chinese you need to communicate what you want. Good study, day up.